Hi friends, how are you doing? So just before this video, I made a video wherein we talked about that what kind of results we have been producing for our clients. So right now, I'm just giving you a glimpse of that. And basically, the purpose of this video is that right now I am noticing that a lot of companies, a lot of training institutes are basically uh, coming up with a lot of marketing schemes, offers and propositions which are not actually which are not actually good for students, for people who want to learn digital marketing. For example, there are a lot of training institutes which are um, promoting their drop shipping numbers, and they are saying that we are clocking a revenue of 15 lakh or 2 crore a month or 2 crore a year, and so on and so forth. And they are actually showing you a lot of results like that on their screens. But however, I would like to tell you that don't fall into these kind of traps, because you don't know how to analyze the results. To get a sales of, let's say, 15 lakh rupees through AliExpress or Flipkart or Amazon or so on and so forth, in drop shipping or as an affiliate marketer, you need to have that kind of traffic. So if you just notice the screens which have been shown by many so-called experts, they will actually, you will find that they are actually diverting more than 4 lakh clicks to get a sales of 12 to 13 lakh rupees. What does that mean? So that means that if you are diverting 4 lakh people, or 4 lakh people, you are able to generate a revenue of 14 lakh. But before that, to generate 4 lakh clicks, it takes a lot of effort. It takes an advertising spend, for 3 to 4 lakh clicks. On an average, if you're spending 3 to 4 rupees per click, right? So now you can calculate. So in that case, if you are diverting 3 lakh or 4 lakh clicks, let's say 4 lakh clicks, and your PPC, that is pay per click cost, advertising cost, is 3 rupees. So how much you spent? Actually 9 lakh, more than 9 to 10 lakh in between that. So in that case, the feasibility is actually not there, and you are generating a sales of, or you are getting a commission of, let's say, 12 lakh rupees. It's not worth it. You are taking so much of risk, and you are just getting 1 or 2 lakh rupees, but you are investing 10 lakh rupees, and you never know that it may happen that you are spending a lot on advertising and the people are not buying on Amazon or Flipkart or AliExpress, so on and so forth. So in that case, you are likely to lose money, and that's what is happening with a lot of new people who are jumping in drop shipping and affiliate marketing. I would like to discourage you, because in dropshipping and affiliate marketing, you first have to learn the art of digital marketing at least for 2 to 4 years. After that, jump into dropshipping, affiliate marketing, so on and so forth. Okay, don't fall into the trap of these numbers and things like that, because you will be actually facing a lot of troubles. You will have those kind of aspirations, those kind of dreams, and after some time, when you are out of that training institute, you will find actually yourself nowhere. All right, if you actually want to learn digital marketing, first learn the fundamentals, try to understand, work with the clients, and get some results for them, and then you go into other streams which are more complex, which will require much more investment and risk. All right, so we are going to organize a lot of training programs for students and professionals who are interested in making a career in digital marketing. But at the same time, I'm not going to give you false hopes. I'm going to tell you what we have been doing for our clients and how we have been getting results. It is going to be hard work. If you are willing to do the hard work, if you are willing to learn, then I'm always available. But if someone is just coming into digital marketing to make a lot of money and have hopes and aspirations like that in a month or so you will be millionaire, please, it is not going to happen. So we are not the right people we are not the right people in that case. So I would request you, please don't fall into these kind of traps, and first of all, learn what is digital marketing, how it works. All right, with this, I'm ending the video. If you have any queries, drop me a note. My email ID is contact@marcom18.com. You can post your comments as well. and I would be more than happy to clarify that what actually I am talking about and why dropshipping and affiliate marketing is not for the beginners. All right. Thank you so much.